Adobe Premiere Pro CC, how to trim and cut video clips. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Start building passive income skills, click the link down below. In order to successfully cut or trim the video, let's say we have a video clip, right click your video, make sure this is scaled to frame size or set to the frame size like so. Make sure as well that video 1 and 2 is checked or selected. As you can see, if you would like to successfully cut or trim this video, there's a couple different ways to do this in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now go back to the start of the video clip. If you click C on your keyboard, it's going to bring up the razor tool. As you can see, we're now successfully creating cuts or we're trimming the video. But if you want to trim the video, move your playhead right here, click, and then click on backspace. As you can see, we have trimmed the video clip. Click right here, delete, or if you want, there's a couple different ways you can do this. Click Ctrl Z on your keyboard. See how it undoes everything. And now, if you click K on your keyboard, this will automatically add a cut. I'm going to show you how you can do this at the very end of the video, so be sure to stay. And then let's say right here, click on Q. See how we just trimmed that portion. If we add another cut, and now if we click W, it deletes everything to the right. I know this is a little bit complicated, but here's the free keyboard shortcut. Go to the top right hand screen, underneath edit, click on keyboard shortcuts, underneath the search bar, type in add edit. You can name this whatever your choice. My free keyboard shortcut is K, and then click on OK. So now anywhere in the video, even if it's playing, you don't even have to pause. You can just click K. K, it creates a cut. If you want to trim, click Q, K, and then W.